morning, dear students. Today we will discuss about descriptive paragraph writing. So here are some tips of writing paragraph, how to write paragraph writing, and how to describe the paragraph writing on person. You will see here. So describing a paragraph on person. So here some lines are given. What you choose to describe depends on your topic and purpose. Means the topic will be given and what you choose to describe depends on your topic. It depends on your topic or purpose what you have to describe. Second, when describing a person, you are not obliged to describe every single detail. Means, now you are not obliged to describe every single detail of the person. Means you don't have to describe the total detail or every detail of the person. Okay, person's appearance. Third one, sometimes it is better to focus on one or two outstanding features. That conveys something about the person's character. Means in third line, so it is sometimes it is better, means one or two characteristics. Outstanding characteristics you have to describe. On that you have to focus, that conveys something about the person's character. Means few features of the person's character you have to describe. And then now coming the tips how to write a descriptive paragraph. So here first style should be informal and personal. The writing style should be informal, not formal. Okay, that should be informal and personal. The writing style should be personal and informal. Second number, always use short sentences. When you write the paragraph writing, descriptive paragraph writing, you have to use short sentences. Don't use long sentences. Okay. Third is language should be simple, polite, and effective. When you write the paragraph, your language should be very simple. Don't use complicated sentences, difficult words, and language should be simple. Your writing language should be very simple and polite. Don't use rude words, and that effective. That affects the reader. Fourth number, write only what you have experienced. Don't write unnecessary thing. Write only the thing what you have experienced, what you have felt, the things you have to write in descriptive paragraph. Don't write unnecessary thing. Fifth number, word limit should be strictly followed. Now, word limit will be given 100 words, 120 words, 150 words. According to word limit, you have to write descriptive paragraph, and don't avoid the word limit. According to word limit, you have to write descriptive paragraph. Next tips: make sure to choose a meaningful person, place, or thing. Now, if the particular topic or person, place, or thing is not given, or altogether the person, topic, or person, place, or thing is given, you have to choose your topic, on person, place, or thing, on which topic you will write. So first of all, if altogether the topic is given, in that case you have to choose the topic, and then so to choose meaningful person, place, or thing. So meaningful topic you will have to choose. If the particular topic is given, like person, place, or thing, then you have to write on that particular topic that is given, to write. Second number, introduce the person, place, or thing you are describing. So if the particular topic like person or place, thing are given, is given, in that case you have to describe or you have to introduce about that place, about that thing, or about that person. Okay, if you are writing the descriptive paragraph on person, you have to introduce about that person. If you are writing on place, you have to introduce the place. You have to write the descriptive paragraph on thing. You have to introduce that thing. Clear? 8 number, engage the reader's sense of sight. Means you have to understand at the writing of when you write or in the when you write the descriptive paragraph at that time, you have to understand the reader's sense of sight. Okay, you have to understand or you have to engage the reader's sense of sight. What kind of writing the reader will like. 9 number, describe how the moment or item feels. How the moment or item feels, or what kind of moment an item you like, you have to describe here. Next, number 10, describe how your subject sounds. Now, your subject, how do you like or how you like your subject, about your subject, you have to describe in this descriptive paragraph. Dear students, here one example is given just before you. You can see the example. The question is, write a short paragraph on Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. So like this the question will come, and as an example you can see this paragraph writing. Mahatma Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was not only a great politician but also a great social and religious leader. He declared that the highest form of service of the great mother was social service. He gave messages of peace to the whole world and believed in humanity. He loved his countrymen very much, so the nation called him Bapu, the father of the nation. And then the paragraph is stated here. Gandhiji's main principles were truth and non-violence. He believed in universal brotherhood and love. He was of the opinion that if we have conflict with Englishmen, let us not hate the Englishmen, because both Englishmen and Indians are offspring of the same divinity. He respected all religions equally because he said essence of all religions is truth. He advocated universal brotherhood over and above varying loyalties to nations and religions. On January 30, 1948, he was shot dead by Nathuram Vinayak Godse in a prayer assembly at Birla House, Delhi. He was one of those great personalities who gave life to the world. So long as India lives and Indian freedom lives, the name of Gandhi will be remembered. So in this way, one exercise is given. You see and write the exercise, and then practice for other exercises that will be given. Dear students, some topics are given here. Following the example, whatever I told you just, you have to write the paragraph writing on these topics. First is Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi, and second is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So on these topics, you have to write paragraph writing, descriptive paragraph writing, following the tips, whatever had been taught to you, and the exercise, following the exercise, whatever had been given to you.